Hello guys, I hope you are all doing well wherever you are. My name is Musa and welcome to Redemption Trading. Today I'm going to be answering the most frequently asked questions in trading so that together we can lay a solid foundation of knowledge based on the fundamental principles of trading. Let's get straight into it. But before we start, I want to make it clear that everything that I share on this channel is meant for educational and entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor, and nothing said or done on this channel should be taken as personal financial advice. If you require personal financial advice, I suggest you engage a qualified and regulated financial advisor. Remember to always do your own research before you make any investment decisions. I will try to make my answers as quick and precise as possible so we can cover as much ground as we can. Right, question number one. What really is trading? I hear about trading almost everywhere, but I don't really understand what it is all about. Okay, the quick answer to that one is trading is basically an art of buying and selling financial assets like cryptocurrencies, stocks, forex, gold, etc. on the market and make a profit out of the fluctuations in price. Prices of assets are always going up and down, so traders speculate on that oscillation, or rather fluctuation of prices, so that they can make a profit either on the way down or on the way up. So if you are buying at the bottom, you are buying it cheaper and you're hoping to sell it when the price goes up and make a profit. And then when you are selling at the top, you are anticipating a further drop in price so that you can buy it cheaper when the price goes down. That's basically it. Let's go quickly to number two. Right. Question number two. How much money do I need to start trading? Do I need huge amounts of money? The quick answer is no, you don't need huge amounts of money to start trading. Actually, most exchanges allow you to start trading with as little as 10 US dollars or less. But the main thing to understand is it's not about how much money you start with. It's about how much knowledge of the markets you have. How much experience do you have? Are you going to be consistent? So whether you start with 5 US dollars or 1,000 US dollars, the question still remains. Are you confident enough to start trading? Are you disciplined enough to start trading without making lots of mistakes? Okay, let's go to question number three. Right, question number three. Can I really make money out of trading? Like, can I make a living out of it? The answer is yes, you can, but it's not guaranteed. You see, most beginners lose money in trading because they rush into it without taking time to learn. Trading is a skill. It's a craft that needs to be developed over time, just like any other, you know. So yes, you can make money, but only if you have enough knowledge and you have the discipline that goes with it and the patience. Warren Buffett has a saying that he is very fond of, and I will quote that. The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. So you see, the market is not your friend. So you have to beat the market at their own game. Let's go to question number four. Question number 4. What is the difference between trading and investing? Are they the same? Well, they are similar and related, but they are not the same. Trading is mostly short-term buying and selling of assets to make a profit within a few minutes, a few hours, or even days. And on the other hand, investing is more long-term. Whilst traders rely on technical analysis and the quick movements of prices within a short space of time, investors, on the other hand, look at fundamental analysis to make long-term profits. So they buy and hold assets for a longer time frame. Let's go to question number 5. Right, question 5 is very important. Many people stay out of trading because they think it's tough. They think it's for people who are good at mathematics or finance or accounting, business management and stuff. Well, so they always ask, do I need to be good at these subjects for me to be successful in trading? The answer is no. Trading is something that you can learn from scratch. You know, you need to understand patterns. You need to be able to read charts, and you need to be able to apply risk management and have discipline in whatever you do. And above all, you need patience. It's a game of waiting. You have to wait a lot. Don't rush into trades, and you'll be successful. So the answer is anyone can start trading as long as you make time to study and understand the principles of the game. Right, number 6. Is trading risky? Yes, all trading involves risk. The thing is, you are not trying to avoid risk, but we are trying to manage it as much as we can. So there are certain tools that you can use in trading for you to manage risk and stay profitable. Your stop losses, your position size, and playing with low leverage, all those things can help you to mitigate the chances of you losing money. So yes, it's risky, but it can be managed. Let's go to number 7. How much time do I need to be a profitable trader? That question depends on your personality, or it depends on your lifestyle. How much time do you have on your hands? So day traders would spend the whole day looking at charts, getting in and out of trades, scalping, that's called scalping, whilst swing traders don't spend much time on the charts. Maybe they'll look at the charts once a day, maybe 3-4 times a week, because they are much longer term than day traders. Whilst on the other hand, longer term traders don't necessarily have to constantly look at the charts. They can buy their asset, just hold it, maybe check their charts every couple of weeks or so, because they are longer term, so they are not worried about the shorter time fluctuations in price. Let's go to number 8. Number 8. What tools do I need to kickstart my journey into trading? All you need for you to start trading is a smartphone, a good internet connection, probably Wi-Fi, and to be registered with a reputable exchange. And then that's basically what you need to start. And then as you go on, You may add more tools, you know, like your charting softwares, and other indicators, special indicators to help you read the charts, and more. But basically, those three are your starting point, your point of departure. Let's go to number 9. Question number 9. How do I avoid losing all my money in trading? That's a very important question. Well, all you need to learn is risk management. I always repeat this one because lack of it is what is leading many people to lose money. So what is risk management? So you need to make sure that when you lose minimal amounts of money. That's risk management, because risk is always there, but risk only smaller portions of your capital. One important lesson in trading is risk only what you can afford to lose. Do not bite more than you can chew. So say you have 10,000 US dollars in your account. 10,000 is too much. Okay, let's start with 1,000 US dollars in your account. What you're going to risk from there as a beginner is 5 US dollars. Okay? Because if you lose 5 US dollars from 1,000 US dollar account, it's not going to be a train smash. You understand? So risk only what you can afford to lose. Okay? So for you not to lose all your money, practice risk management. If you don't understand something, do not invest yet. Study, do research, and then only invest your money when you are confident and when you understand exactly what you are doing. Let's go to number 10. Now, last but not least, question number 10. What is the biggest mistake that traders make in their formative years or formative days of trading? Well, the biggest mistake they make is rushing into trading without understanding, without even a plan. If you trade without a plan, the markets will punish you. So you need to have a proper strategy of entry, know how to manage your position, and you need to have a strategy of exit. You will know when to take your profits, or know when to get out of a trade. So without that plan, before you even invest, before you even trade, you are bound to fail, and unless you are just lucky, you know, which is not a fundamental principle of trading. So to close that question, most beginners lose because they want to get rich quick. This brings us to the end of the video, but I think we need to make part 2 of this question and answer. There are still lots of questions to be answered. But for now, let's call it a day. If you have been around for the whole duration of this video, I would like to thank you. And if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, if you are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification button, and like the video. Also, share the video with your family and friends so we can reach more people out there and empower as many people as we can. I would like to thank you for hanging out with me, and I would like to wish you well and hope to see you in the next video. Take care.